What's up? It's Joe with OC Detailing, and behind me I've got a Lucid Air Grand Touring that we just did the craziest transformation ever on. So this car came in, it was quantum gray, but the customer wanted it to really stand out. So we did something crazy for it. We actually wrapped the whole thing in XP Aurora Magenta. This is an ULTRAFIT color that, honestly, if you don't like it, you can walk a few feet and it'll be a different color because it does the craziest color shift. All the ULTRAFIT color shifting films are such hard shifts and they look so cool and they do really well, they transition really well, so you actually would think it was paint. We also did some other cool accents on this car. We did some Damascus black PPF on the tops and on the mirrors. Along with that, we finished this thing off with a ceramic coating, and this massive front windshield, we actually did ULTRAFIT Evo windshield protection film on so we could protect it from rock chips and stuff. We took the wheels off and coated them, and now this thing looks absolutely amazing. I do want to point out some of the finer points of this car because, you know, here at OC Detailing, we really care about our installs, like the most. It's so important to us that the cars look amazing when they're done, and we do more color change PPF wraps than probably anybody in the country. It's something we're known for, and here, let me show you why. So if you look at our edges and corners, everything's wrapped and tucked in. It's actually really hard to do. A lot of times they have templated kit installs where you would go right up to this edge, but you wouldn't wrap it in. So we spent a bunch of time disassembling this car, taking trim pieces off to make sure we got that really clean color change. And if you look around it, you can't tell this car was gray. Everything looks perfect. Everything's wrapped, everything's tucked in. This is super hard to do back here. This hatch being done in one piece with no seams. That hood is a super hard stretch, but we got it all down and it looks amazing. And I know my customer is gonna be super happy for us bringing his vision to life. So thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos.